Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to jiggle peek in Valorant. Basically, peeking in Valorant is making a move to see if the enemy is in front of you or not. So how you can make this jiggle peek mechanic? Basically, this jiggle peek mechanic is a mechanic that pro players use in order to peek without dying. So how we can actually do it, we just have to go for play and let me just go to a game. So for example, I will go to Ascent and let's start the game. Let me just make it auto sheet and let's go to deathmatch. Here we go, and let's click on start match. So basically I highly suggest that you do the same thing in order to learn how to do this peeking. Now, in order to peek environment, there is two ways. Use this mechanic or else working normally and see if you can actually kill your enemy faster. So let me just wait until this timer ends. So now we are at 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1. So now I'm going to start showing you how to do it actually. So basically guys, the first thing that I'm going to do is go to a spot where I can actually jiggle peek. So for example, you can do it for example over here. You can do it also from here, and you can use it from here and here. Basically the jiggle peek, it is crouching and holding of course your knife instead of your gun, because your gun basically, yeah, this is general information. If you hold your gun, you run slower than holding your knife, so make sure to hold your knife when you are trying to rotate guys. Basically now what we're going to do is hold our knife, go next to the wall, look the other side, and basically guys, let me just show you over here. You can see this white thing on the map. This is the range of view of your character. Basically, when you are trying to pick on someone, make sure to look into the map and not into the game itself. So look into the map and not into your screen and the game. So let's do this again. Go here, the other side, not really like here, but look into the wall a little bit, then crouch and then jump and go back. So here we go. Let's do this again. So jump and go back and do the same again. So jump and go back and just keep looking into the map, and you will see that this white line is actually going uh, to see them, and you will be able to see them in the map but not in your screen. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually jiggle peek. You can actually do a bunch of peeks in Valorant. There is like the jump peek, the jump spots. You can check them out in my tutorials. You can find them in my channel. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.